What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very important day for Samsung Galaxy phone users because Samsung has started rolling out the brand new updates for the Galaxy S25 series as well as the Galaxy S26 series. And you know what? Samsung has also released some of the AI features for the Galaxy S25 series which were found on the S26 series. We will be talking about that in a bit. 3 new AI features have now been added on the S25 series. And these features are added on June security patch. Let's go to the settings, tap on software update, tap on check for updates, and here it is. We have got the update details here. Unfortunately, Samsung has not mentioned about these new features. I don't know why they do this. If there is any new features being added, they should be mentioning this in the changelog, but it does not talk about the new features here. And you can see the size is pretty big here, 937.65 MB, which kind of confirms that this is a big update and it comes with new features. Now the version number ends with CZF1, security patch level for June 5th. And the One UI version is of course 8.5 and Android version 16. In the changelog, it just says stability and reliability improvements. The device is protected with improved security. It doesn't even say that new features have been added with this. So what we are going to do is we are going to install this update and I will talk about the new features that we have got with this all new update. And meanwhile, let me also show you the changelog of the Galaxy S26 series. Right now I am on One UI 9 beta, so I haven't got the security patch yet. We are expecting the beta 3 probably today or tomorrow. It should be dropping on the S26 series. But on X, there are many posts from many of the X users where they have mentioned about this new update. You can see the update size is 562.59 MB and the version number ends with AZF1. And this doesn't add any new features as such. It is just a pure security patch for the Galaxy S26 series. Now, let's wait for this update to get installed on the S25 series and I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the phone has been updated. Let's do our routine checks. First, we will go to the Galaxy Store and see if there is any new update for the applications. As you can see, we have got a bunch of updates already here for Samsung account, Samsung browser. Let's see what's new. It says fixed bugs. 30.0.0.67 is the latest version, Samsung checkout, and we also have a brand new version of GoodLock here. It says fixed an issue where GoodLock plugins could not be updated in certain environments, improved app stability. So it's a brand new version of GoodLock along with a brand new version of Samsung browser and a brand new version of Samsung account. And of course, we do have an update for Link to Windows. I will be posting a video about Samsung DeX and Link to Windows very soon. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy phones. And don't forget to hit the like button for this video. Now let's go ahead and update all of them. The next important thing that you need to check is the Google Play System update. Let's go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, updates, and Google Play System update. You can see with this security patch, it did not update to June Google Play System update automatically. So let's see if there is any new update here. No, it says your device is up to date. I did read some reports that some of you guys have started getting the June Google Play System update already on the S25 series. If you did, do drop a comment and let the community know. Now on my device, I don't see this update yet. So this is all about the update. Now we are going to talk about the brand new features. The 2 AI features. Let's go to the settings and let's tap on Galaxy AI. This is where you will find the brand new feature. Scroll down, you will see notification highlights. Let me tap on this. We have got 2 new AI features here. Prioritize notifications, summarize notifications. These were not made available when we got the One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S25 series. It was exclusively available for the Galaxy S26 series. And now we have got this. Kudos to Samsung for providing these features for the S25 series as well. Many of you guys have been asking whether prioritize notifications and summarize notifications are going to come or not for the S25 series. And here you go. Let me explain what priority notification does. This will show important notifications first to make sure you don't miss them. This is a feature which was there on the iPhones and now it is available on Samsung phones as well. As you can see this graphics, all those important notifications will be shown right here on top of the notification panel so that you don't miss them. That is the priority notifications. And then comes summarize notifications. This will show you a short summary of conversational notifications. You can choose whether to allow notifications from individual applications to be summarized in the app's notification settings or not. Now, this is a feature which will give you the summary of the conversation. Let's say if your messaging application is pushing multiple new messages, then those messages will be summarized and it will be shown in a single notification, which is fantastic. Now, how well these features are going to work, time will tell. So we'll have to wait and see. These features were not working that well on my S26 series. They do work, but sometimes they fail to pick the right message, or let's say right notification, the priority notification to be shown on the top. Sometimes it will show some random advertisements also on the top. So that is a bummer which I faced on the Galaxy S26 series. But let's hope that on the S25 series, this feature will work better. It's of course still in the initial stages. It will take a few days to learn your phone's notifications and the applications, and then it should be working well. So let's wait and see that. Now, the third AI feature, let's check that out. Now, this feature is available on Samsung's My Files application. This app got auto-updated, if I'm not wrong, when we got this update. Let's see the version number. It's 15.4.08.6. Let's check that version number on the S26 series as well. On the S26 series, this is One UI 9. So it's a different version number, 15.6.00.53. But the new feature is currently available on the older version as well. Let me show you that. Let me open the My Files application. Now let's go to the three dot button, tap on settings, and you will see this brand new option here that is called Show File Summaries. That's available right here. You can see get short AI powered summaries of PDF and text files. This also shows summaries created for recording in voice recorder. PDF and text files are processed only on your phone. Now, this is a brand new feature under advanced settings, and we have this on the One UI 9 as well. Let me quickly show you this. Let's go to the files here. Tap on the three dot button, settings, and here you go. Under advanced settings, we do have that option. Open PDFs and text files in app. That toggle is not available yet on this older version on the 8.5. This is available on the One UI 9, and the show file summaries toggle is available right over here on the One UI 9 as well. And now that has been made available on the One UI 8.5, which is fantastic. Now let me show you how the file summaries would look like. Let's go to the documents here. As you can see, we have got a pop-up. My Files summarizes files content. My Files uses AI to provide short summaries of PDFs and text files so you can see what they are about before opening them. Let me tap on OK. Now let's see if this is working or not. For some reason, I don't see the summaries here. This is strange. Let me close the application again. Maybe it will take some time to learn. I'm not very sure. Let's see that. Let's try this again. I'll open documents. Not yet. Let me show you how actually this would look when it is showing us the summaries. Let me go to documents here, and here you see these are the summaries of the files here. You can see this particular, maybe this one, this brochure detailing address makers real estate projects in Bangalore. Here it says real estate plot details and payment schedule for Akshara Valley address. So likewise, we have got summaries for all these files here, whereas here we don't see that summary. It is not currently working. Let's hope that the phone will start learning these files and start showing the summaries. Maybe it's a matter of time. Let's wait and see. If it is working on your S25 series, do let me know. Now, this is the third feature. So 3 new features with this brand new June security patch for the S25 series. Let me know whether you have got all of them on your phone. Drop a comment. Now let's check how is the phone performing. That's something important to see after updating the security patch. Let's start with phone dialer, camera application, clock, we've got calendar, Volvo's application, gallery, My Files, Galaxy Store, Play Store. Let's go to the Recents app. Running very smoothly without any issues, as you can see. The animation is perfect, no stutters or lags. Let's close all of them. Let's open the quick panel here. And notification panel. No summaries yet. Again, it is going to take some time to learn. So let's wait and see how it works. Quick panel, notification panel. Let's switch between these two. No issues, no stutters or lags, but at times I do notice those stutters here when I open the quick panel. especially on the S24 series. This is prominent. Many of you guys have been reporting that on the channel, so that is there. Samsung will have to work on that. Anyway, so phone is performing well, no issues so far. No new Google Play system update, 3 new features along with June security patch. That is about it in this video. Let me know what you think. I hope you have already updated the One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 series as well. Even that has received the brand new update. I will be getting the beta update. I will keep you guys posted about that very soon. Let's hope there are some new features. Let's hope App Lock gets added on the new beta, or probably in the future in the next few weeks. I will keep you guys posted. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. These videos take a lot of efforts to make it, a lot of time spent. So go ahead, hit the like button for the video if you find it informative. And we are inching closer to 200K. With your support, this is possible. So be sure to subscribe. While we reach 200K, you get to learn a lot about your Galaxy phones, Android phones, Galaxy watches, etc. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.